Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to view chat settings on Discord for PC, especially after the latest update. Let's get started. First, launch the Discord app on your PC. If you haven't done it already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your home screen filled with all your servers and friends. Now, look down to the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see a section that features your username and profile picture. Right next to that, there's a small gear icon. This is your gateway to adjusting all of your settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Once you've clicked it, you'll be taken to the user settings menu. This is where you can customize nearly every aspect of your Discord experience. To locate your chat settings, simply scroll down the left sidebar of the menu until you see the option labeled Chat. Click on it to access the various chat-related settings. Inside the chat options, you'll find a range of features, allowing you to tailor notifications, adjust text and emoji settings, and manage message history. Feel free to explore and customize these settings to enhance your chat experience. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to the chat settings on Discord using your PC. Whether you're looking to reduce notifications or tweak some chat features, you're well on your way to a more tailored Discord experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and updates.